Opening oysters might seem intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's super satisfying and delicious. I learned how to do it at work. Hold the oyster in a folded towel, or you can also wear a glove to protect your hand. You can also use an oyster holder, but I prefer to just hold it with my hands. Place the oyster cup side down, which is the flat side up, and the hinge or the pointy end facing you. Then wiggle the knife into the hinge. Apply firm and controlled pressure without forcing it. Then twist the knife like turning a key until you feel a pop. Carefully slide the knife under the oyster to detach it from the bottom shell, and be very careful not to spill the liquid.